How fun, how fun. All right, you guys, welcome back to Guitar Adventures with Octavia. Thanks for pushing play on the video. Take it one step further and just pow, smash that like button. It really does go a long way. I also dropped 3 blue diamonds in the comments. That's our community thing. It tells me that you're here, that you're vibing, and that you're shining today. And feel free to leave any other thoughts that you have about this video. I have a camera set up here and I have a camera set up there, so I might toggle between. I want you guys to be able to see my face and also what I'm about to show you. We're looking at A minor. And the notes in A minor are ACE, A-C-E. That's just an easy way to remember them. And I want to show you that you can pick out the notes while you play over a backing track, and it gives you practice with rhythm because you're playing to a backing track, but it also helps you memorize the notes. So here's A on the E string in the 5th fret. Here's C on the 5th string in the 3rd fret. And then here's E in the 7th fret on the 5th string. So we got A, C, E. Now, what if you just pick those 3 notes over a backing track? It's not like some dynamic solo, but what it's doing is it's getting you in the rhythm. Depending on how fast or slow the backing track is, but it's also helping you with memory that you know that this is a part of that chord. You know this is A, you know this is C, and you know this is E. And in your mind, you know, hey, I'm playing the individual notes of an A minor chord. But sometimes trying to pick out the notes in a chord that you know how to play or you're learning to play can be actually fun. And it makes you feel like you're not just stuck down here, but you're moving around the fretboard. I'll show you what I mean. So I have it's like an A minor backing track, but it has some 7th chords in there too. So it's by Samurai Jam Track. So I hope he doesn't mind me kind of just demonstrating over here. So you could start something simple like C, then E, A, C, then back to A. Let it hang, A, C, E. Let it hang, go backwards. Go backwards, something different. Right, nothing to write home about, but the point is you're learning, you're calling out these notes, A, C, E, on rhythm, A, C, E. No pressure, just get in the game, right? Just get in the game. Even if you're going slow, find a slow backing track if you have to. This might be fast for some, maybe it's slow for others, but just find a good backing track to a chord that you already know, but maybe you don't know the notes for. And then that way you can get a little bit of a practice picking it out. And then the cool thing is, as you're doing that, you're gonna run into some passing notes or other chord tones that sound good with what you're playing. So like this D, you can hit a passing note along the way, but just have some fun. All right, you guys, I'm out of this piece. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, A minor, A, C, E are the notes. Find them on your fretboard, pick them out, travel up and down the fretboard trying to find the A, the C, and the E. Let me know your thoughts on the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.